In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with the Webull mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you've got the Webull app downloaded and installed onto your mobile device. Now from here, you need to open up the Webull app for the first time. Now you'll be greeted by this page here. So from here, we've got a login button or a sign up button. So we're going to sign up. So click on sign up. Now you need to put your phone number in and then click I've read and agree to the terms and service and privacy policy. After you put in your phone number, they will send you a 6 or 8 digit code to your mobile device, and you need that code to verify your number. So I'm going to put in my phone number here and I'll meet you at the next stage. Alright, so once you've verified your phone number, you'll be greeted to here where it says account type. Now we need to click on individual or joint account. So choose which one you need to open up. So for me, I'm just going to do an individual account. And take note, you need a valid ID. So you need a driver's license, Australian passport or international passport, and also proof of your address. So utilities bills, bank statements, council notice, etc. And if you want to open up a joint account, you also need you and your partner must have a valid joint bank account first. So from here, I'm going to click on individual account. And now going to be greeted with this identity confirmation. So please read the following terms carefully. Each term needs to be confirmed before proceeding to the next step. So you need to be over 18 years of age. So I'm going to check that. And because I'm doing this in Australia, so this is going to vary from country to region. So as I stated, I'm an Australian resident. So I'm going to click that. And I am not a US citizen or permanent resident of the US. Yeah, so just fill this out and then click on continue. Now you got to put in your employment information. So I am employed. Now they need a nature of industry and company name, and then click on next. Now from here, investment information. So type of transactions, experience, investment experience, and other brokers. So fill this out and then click next. So if we look at the type of transaction experience, so you've got stock cash trading, stock margin trading, investment trust, etc. Or if you don't have any experience, click no experience. So just for this, I'm going to click on no experience. And then here, investment experience, I'm going to do no experience. And then, yeah, put in other brokers, which is optional. Then click next. And then put in your asset information. So your source of wealth can be employment, ownership of business, investment, pension, etc. So I'm just going to put down employment. Put in your annual income and then main source of your funds, then click next. And now you need to fill out your personal information. So your first name, middle name, last name, gender, situation. And if you're in Australia, you're going to be your tax file number too. So yeah, so go ahead and fill this out and then click next. Then you have to put in your information here, trading products. So check which ones you want to do, AU market, warrants, stocks and ETFs, HK market. So click next from here. Cash management, which is optional. So I'm going to click on your AUD as well. Click on I confirm the following disclosures. And now you need to do identity verification. So we're almost at the end. So here's what you need to do. Ensure your device has a good camera. Have 1 to 2 valid ID documents ready. Prepare your best passport style pose for the selfie. Ensure that the information you provide matches the government record. So click to verify, and then it'll ask you if Webull to take pictures and record videos. So go ahead and click on while using the app. Okay, now I'm going to click on verification processing. And now you need to verify your identity with GBG. So on the following pages, you will be asked to verify your identity with GBG so that you can start trading on your Webull account. Please have your identity documents ready before you begin, such as your driver's license and passport. And then go ahead and click this and then click on get started. And then you'll be brought to this page here, verify your identity. So verify your identity consists of these steps. You'll be asked to photograph an ID card or your passport. We'll extract the details automatically. You then take a selfie. We'll compare your ID card photo to this selfie photo. We'll check your details against ID sources. We may ask you to use further identity documents to complete your verification. So go ahead and click on get started. Now I'm going to choose Australian driver's license. live in SA, so I'm going to click on SA. And then from there, you'll take a photo of your license, front and back. And then the next step would be you need to upload a selfie. And then once you've uploaded the selfie, they'll go ahead and match the selfie with your license details. And if everything looks legit, they will approve your account, and then you can start trading.